Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying access and essentials so you can act immediately. Once logged into Circle Master, create a new project or import an existing file to avoid rebuilding work. Then set canvas size and units, pixels or millimeters, and turn on the grid and snap to grid so circles align precisely. Make sure 2FA is active for security. After these first steps, choose the Circle tool from the toolbar and pick a radius or diameter value to place your initial circle on the canvas. Once your first circle is placed, continue by creating additional circles using drag or exact numeric input for radius or diameter to maintain precision. Then align them with guides and apply Boolean operations: union, subtract, intersect to combine, or trim shapes depending on your design goal. Make sure to manage stroke weight and fill color for visual clarity, and reorder or group layers so related circles move together. If you need symmetry, duplicate and mirror instead of redrawing to preserve math accuracy and save time. To finish, prepare your file for export. Choose PNG, SVG, or PDF and set resolution, color profile, and bleed if required for printing. Once ready, run a validation check for unwanted overlaps, tiny gaps, or incorrect path directions that can break downstream tools. If something goes wrong during export, isolate the problematic layer and perform a simple export test of just that group. Often a stray tiny shape or inverted path causes failure. Finally, save a versioned copy and you're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.